Hey everybody, good to see you. I was just on one of my adventure trips up to Mount Rainier and happened to catch guys working on a construction project up on Camp Sherman, which is up from the White River side of Mount Rainier, and then Camp Muir. So what they're doing is they're replacing some aging toilets and putting in some concrete foundations for the new ones, and they're hauling all the material up here via helicopter. So I just happened to be up here, saw the helicopter flying while I'm doing a photo shoot, and wanted to share this with you guys. So here it is over here behind me. They got this road closed off, and wow, what a shot of Mount Rainier behind me. There's there, and just waiting for the helicopter to come back in now, and you can probably hear it. So let's get some video and show it everything I can for you. They wouldn't do an interview with me, so I had to do one myself here. All right. Actually feel the wind from the helicopter right here. It's amazing the work those guys do. I don't know if you can see him in front of Mount Rainier. You can see the white bag, maybe, that he's a big huge crate that he's hauling. Can't even see the helicopter anymore. What a cool place. Cool place to be at the right time. So I hope you guys found that as interesting as I did. I love two things that I really love: aviation and Mount Rainier. So I got to be up here and check it all out all on the same day. So hope you really enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe, give us a like, and hit that notification bell. Make sure and click on all. That way you can see more cool videos, hopefully a lot more like this. Come along with us and check it out. But thanks so much. This is Brad with Max Productions TV. Thank you.